Buenos días. Señora Vaz, with your instructions for today's activity, please pay attention. We are going to go over your class plan for today. That's not it. Okay, so first thing you're going to do, you're going to report your attendance right here. Pause your video, report attendance. Thank you. Okay, the second part, and so let's don't get confused about the activities. Your first chapter, that is para empezar, is like an introductory chapter and it's divided in three parts. So the first part that you were working on was in la escuela, and we did 5 presentations on that, and that part is done. And I think that we have learned our procedures with the book, so now we can move on faster. So I want you to see, first of all, that your assignment is due today. It is due today. So you start your work and you finish your work today. We had to connect. So we're going to be connected with the class. And in this part, you're going to start with the second part, that is en la clase. And you're going to do your presentation 1 for the second part, en la clase. That means we're talking about we're in the school, but now we're in the classroom. And you're going to learn about some items that are related to the classwork. And some of you will remember from last year, and some of you just refresh. But I also put here the vocabulary that can help you to remember how to say certain things in Spanish. So you're going to go to your book and find your activities, and I'm going to put this video that I'm recording right now. It's going to be right there. Okay, let's go to the book. So what are we going to see in the book? I'm going to explain you how to do the activities. So now we're going to the chapter para empezar, and instead of being en la escuela, we're going to be en la clase. By the way, I heard that they are going to put this book in Canvas, so I will let you know. I will keep you updated on that. All right, that's it. You're going to go over the presentation. This is what's going to show you the words, and it's going to, you already know. So let's go over the activities. The first activity, as you know, I put the audios here. So there are 2 audio activities in this section that I'm assigning today. And the 2 audios are here. I recorded them for you. And what you had to do. So let's see. You're going to play your audio. I'm playing from here. You're going to play from the video that I put in your class plan. And what you do is you listen and you see the first item. So you listen to this and you find out which one is this one. So let's see.
1. La hoja de papel.
So I think number 1
La
is
hoja
la
de
hoja de
papel.
papel. So I look for la hoja de papel.
2.
So I see it
El
right
libro.
here.
El libro.
2 es el libro.
3.
It
La
looks like el
profesora.
libro.
La profesora.
Yeah, that's el libro.
El
La
profesor.
Okay.
El profesor.
Now, I suggest you that if it's going a little fast for you, el libro is 2, and then he said la profesora, so I see la profesora here, that's 3. So you just need to mark the ones, but if you need to pause it, well, you can pause it. You can pause the video, okay? I think that you're gonna need to pause that video. And then that's what you have to do. You select the number of the item that you are hearing they pronounce. Please, when you listen to the words, try pronouncing them. You're on your own there by yourself. Nobody's listening. Just try to pronounce the words so when you have to record your voice, you can do a better job of recording with the pronunciation. Okay, that's that activity. Then we have the next activity, that's recording. Please, every time that you have to record, listen to the model, the modelo, and then repeat it, okay? And I play the modelo here just in case that you cannot open the video, so I always have it in the video.
¿Cómo se dice book en español? Se dice libro.
Okay, so she talked pretty fast, huh? She says, ¿cómo se dice book en español? And the question means, how did you say this word in Spanish? Se dice libro. Se dice. Okay, do not read dice. Say dice. ¿Cómo se dice? Se dice. Okay? And then you're going to record your conversation. So you're going to make it with these 5 items. So that means you're going to say, ¿cómo se dice pen en español? And then you answer, se dice bolígrafo. And then you're going to record. You have to record 5 in that one. Now, this one says, talk with a partner about items in your classroom. You don't have a partner. Some of you have got pretty creative at getting a partner. So, let's see this one.
¿Qué quiere decir mano? Quiere decir hand.
Okay. So the question, ¿qué quiere decir mano? So what does it mean? What does mano mean? And then it says, it means hand. Quiere decir hand. ¿Qué quiere decir mano? Quiere decir hand. So it's what does this word mean? And you're going to do it with this. ¿Qué quiere decir cuaderno? Quiere decir notebook. And then siete is, I recommend that you say the numbers so you don't miss one. Some of you have missed words because you don't say the numbers. Okay, so that's the recording part. Let's go to the next one. As usual, if you have questions, that's why we are connected during the class. You can ask me the questions. For chapter the text activity 3, let's see what it is. And this one says, look at the words and decide whether each one is masculine or feminine. Rewrite each word and add the appropriate definite article el or la. So if you remember, nouns had, in Spanish, all nouns have a gender. So they're either masculine or feminine. And then with people and animals, it's easier to say it than for things, because you don't know if an eraser is masculine or feminine, or a desk is masculine or feminine. But we just learned the words like that. Most words that end in A are feminine, and most words that end in O are masculine, but not all of them. There are some exceptions, so you just learn some of them. These words are in your vocabulary with an article. So you have to put the article in for this activity. So you're going to put pierna, we assume that is feminine, so you just put la pierna, and then you go to the next one. So you are going to add the article to each one of these. Nariz, nariz ends in Z. Well, I tell you, it's feminine. So you're going to put la nariz. Okay? Let's go to the next one. The next one is more vocabulary, and nothing more of these ones. You're going to enter the correct article, el, la, or el, la. So, because some of them can be either masculine or feminine. So, bolígrafo is masculine. So, you're going to put, it says write the correct article, so you're just going to put el. And then you go to the next one. You have 15 on this, so I'm not going to go over all of them. You have these words in your vocabulary. I repeat, you have these words in your vocabulary that can help you. Next one is the other audio. Let's see how this audio goes. This one is similar to the first one we did. So you just listen to the words.
Saquen el libro.
So you are going to pay attention.
Saquen el libro.
To the command that your teacher is saying. Saquen el libro. That means take out your book. Saquen el libro. So you find el libro in your options. Oh, that was the example. Okay. So let's go with the next one. Let's go with this one.
1. Saquen la carpeta.
Okay, so she's saying saquen la carpeta, and it's uno. So you're going to look for la carpeta. I found it right here, and then I'm going to check uno. And then I go to the next one and find number 2. Okay? Siguiente. Next is the last one. Now, remember, this one takes you to a different, you just say, okay, to a different page. And you're going to type the words. This you need to use your vocabulary, okay? And you're gonna type the words. When you finish, you click show results. It's gonna give you one chance to fix it. Like if you get one that is not right, it's gonna give you a chance. Do not forget to write your articles, and do not forget the special characters or whatever, and then correct. If you correct it and click show results and it's wrong again, you're gonna have to start over. Okay? So be careful and use your vocabulary. I have the vocabulary, this vocabulary, I put the link right here. And I'm also gonna put a link for a Quizlet so you can look and get help with that. So I think that will help you with today's activities. And I hope that you can do good. And I'll see you during class. So if you have questions, you can be there, even if you mute your microphone. But if you are there, then you know that I'm right there to help you if you need help. I can share my screen or do whatever you need. All right, that's all for now. See you next video.